Does your family include a cat, dog, furry, or feathered friend? Well, you need to consider their survival as well when disaster strikes. Planning will bring peace of mind and assurance that you've done everything you can to help everyone you love survive and thrive in a disaster. Make an emergency kit for your pet, including vet records, medication, a photo of your pet for identification, food, water, feeding bowls, a leash, treats, and a toy for comfort. Be sure your pet is wearing a collar with up-to-date identification. And remember, microchipping will make reuniting with your pet easier if you become separated. Know where the nearby pet-friendly hotels are and keep a list in your emergency kit. Create a buddy system with your neighbors, ensuring everyone's pet is taken care of in case you're not home. Practice your plan and familiarize your pet with the urgency of a real disaster escape scenario. Stay up to the minute with Fairfax Alerts, a free public emergency notification system that sends emergency information to you via text, email, or phone. Visit fairfaxcounty.gov/alerts to sign up. If you have a question about emergency preparedness, visit the Fairfax County Office of Emergency Management's website. Your pet's always there for you. So be there for your pet and create your emergency plan and kit today.